10 powerful prayers to say anytime. Prayer 1. Let peace begin with me. Good morning, dear heart. Before the world rushes in, take this moment to be still. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, in and out. With every breath, you are here, and you are safe. Dear God, thank you for the gift of a brand new day. Let your peace rise within me like the morning sun. May it wash over my thoughts, soften my worries, and bring quiet to the corners of my heart that feel anxious. I let go of yesterday. I release what I cannot change. I choose to begin again with hope, with grace, and with peace. Let my words today be soft. Let my actions carry light. Let me meet others with patience and myself with compassion. If storms come, help me to stand with calm courage. If joy visits, let me dance with gratitude. Today is yours, and I walk in it with trust. Amen. Affirmation. I carry peace within me, and today I choose calm over chaos. Prayer 2. A heart of gratitude. Good morning, bright soul. The sun rises once more, and so does the chance to begin anew. Let your heart open wide like morning petals, ready to receive and give thanks. Dear God, thank you for the breath in my lungs, the beat of my heart, and the light of this day. Even when life feels small or still, remind me that miracles live in the ordinary. Help me to notice beauty, the quiet kind, the smile of a stranger, the warmth of my tea, the way light touches the floor. Let me carry a heart that leans toward thankfulness, not only when all is well, but especially when things are hard. Gratitude lifts the spirit. Gratitude strengthens the soul. Let it be my anchor today. Amen. Affirmation. Today, I choose to see blessings everywhere. My heart overflows with gratitude. Prayer 3. The strength of kindness. Good morning, gentle soul. As light spills across the sky, may it fill your heart with softness and strength. Dear God, thank you for the quiet power of kindness. Let it live in my words, my gestures, and even in my silence. Help me today to see where kindness is needed, a helping hand, a warm smile, a listening ear. Show me how to be gentle in a world that sometimes forgets. May kindness be my strength, not loud, but lasting. Let it ripple outward in small, unseen ways that make big differences. Where there is anger, may I sow peace. Where there is fear, may I offer comfort. And where there is loneliness, may I shine your light. Amen. Affirmation. Kindness is my strength. I carry it with grace into every space I enter. Prayer 4. Courage to begin again. Good morning, brave heart. Each day offers a doorway into something new, even when it feels uncertain. Courage whispers, try again. Dear God, thank you for another sunrise and a fresh chance to begin. Give me strength to step forward, even if I'm afraid. Help me release fear of failure and embrace the beauty of learning. Let me trust that I am growing, even if the steps are small. May I remember that courage isn't the absence of fear, but moving gently through it with you beside me. Let me take today one breath, one prayer, one kind choice at a time. Amen. Affirmation: I am brave enough to begin again, and every step forward matters. Prayer 5. The power of patience. Good morning, patient soul. Patience is not merely waiting, but how we wait, with grace, with trust, and with the belief that things unfold in their own time. Dear God, thank you for the gift of patience. When life feels slow, help me to remember that your timing is always perfect. Help me to wait with peace, knowing that I am never forgotten. Teach me to trust in the process of life, to understand that growth takes time, and that even when I don't see immediate results, I am still moving forward. May I remember that patience isn't just about waiting, it's about how I carry myself while I wait. May I carry my patience with kindness, and may it be a light to those around me. Amen. Affirmation: I am patient. I trust that everything unfolds at the perfect time, and I choose to wait with peace. Prayer 6. The gift of patience. Good morning, gentle soul. Patience is the gift that helps us remain calm through life's busyness. Today, may we embrace patience in all we do. Dear God, thank you for the gift of patience. Let me carry a calm spirit today, even when things don't go as planned. Help me to wait without worry, to be present without rushing, and to trust that everything unfolds in your perfect timing. Let me remember that patience brings peace, and that through patience I can make the most of every moment, even in the waiting. Amen. Affirmation: patience is my gift. I wait with grace and trust in the unfolding of today. Prayer 7. The beauty of today. Good morning, bright soul. Today is a new canvas, ready to be painted with your thoughts, your actions, and your heart. May I see the beauty in every moment, even the quiet ones. Let me find joy in the simplest things: a smile, a warm cup of tea, a kind word. Help me to be fully present today, not looking back or ahead, but embracing the now with gratitude and peace. Let today be a day of beauty, not just in the world around me, but in my heart and my choices. Amen. Affirmation: today, I see beauty in every moment. I choose to be present and grateful. Prayer 8. finding joy in the ordinary. Good morning, joyful soul. Sometimes, the greatest joy is found in the smallest things: a warm hug, the smell of fresh flowers, the sound of birds singing. Dear God, thank you for the simple joys that fill my life. Help me to notice and appreciate these little moments today, the ones that might otherwise pass me by unnoticed. May I find happiness in the ordinary, in the everyday things that make life beautiful. Help me to live with a heart full of joy, grateful for the small blessings that surround me. Amen. Affirmation: I find joy in the simple things. Today, I appreciate every small blessing. Prayer 9. Trusting the process. Good morning, trusting soul. Life unfolds in its own time. Trust that the path you're on is leading you exactly where you need to be. Dear God, thank you for the journey. Help me to trust that everything I need is already on its way, and that the process is as important as the outcome. When I feel uncertain or impatient, let me find comfort in the knowledge that your timing is perfect. Give me patience to follow the path that you have laid before me. Amen. Affirmation: I trust the process. I trust that everything is unfolding in its perfect time. Prayer 10. Embracing new beginnings. Good morning, brave heart. Every day is a new beginning, a chance to start fresh, to create something new. Dear God, thank you for the gift of new beginnings. Help me to embrace today with an open heart and a fresh perspective. Let me approach this day with courage and excitement, ready to explore what is new and unknown. Help me to let go of anything from yesterday that holds me back, and to begin again with trust, with hope, and with your love. Amen. Affirmation: today is a new beginning. I embrace it with courage, hope, and trust. Thank you so much for joining me in watching prayers 1 to 10. I hope you enjoyed the story as much as I had in creating it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up-and-coming bedtime stories and Bible study for the parents under their supervision. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.